This man is David Edwards. He came all the way from England to Munich, Germany to give a talk, harass some Chinese people, hang out with some randos and harass more Chinese people. But soon he became
Bomberman.
untiringly roaming the complete electronica fair just to get hold of a little sample, just something that he could proceed as a bait back home to England. But soon he gotta go. He was the brave man who nagged the German Bundeswehr, the German army, for 4 days straight until they finally let him put on the bomb suit. And this is his story.
How do you feel?
Cozy, very, very cozy. This is it's one of those things you don't think you're going to do. You feel all the different Kevlar plate and fibrous material around here. And I'm surprised at how close it is as well. They strap you in tight, it's not just loose fitting. When it goes off, is there a desired position? Should you face it? Should you turn away?
But the front is most of the protection.
Yeah, the back's just in case you fall over.
Yeah. Okay, so in case the bomb goes off, you're just fucked.
Yeah. You are the replaceable part.
Now the heavy one.
He's the next.
Oh yeah. That is gross.
Bomberman.
Do jumping jacks.
Bomberman.
This has been full-on Maker Madness, a format where I tell you the tales of the Maker movement that you never asked to hear ever. If you like this, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, or do whatever you want. Don't miss out on our Element 14 Presents projects, where David Edwards and myself are making a lot of cool stuff together with a lot of other hosts that will maybe be covered in future Maker Madness episodes. So stay tuned.
Oh yeah.
So stay tuned, subscribe, and spread the word. It's full-on Maker Madness.